The internet loves to manufacture drama where it does not exist, especially when it comes to the software you use to run your daily life. You see these heated debates everywhere. People claim one version of a system is a resource hog while another is the only way to save a dying laptop. Most of this talk is complete nonsense. I decided to actually look at the reality of the three main choices offered by the most popular beginner-friendly system on the market today. Here's the truth. They usually gets buried under a pile of technical jargon. All three versions are built on the exact same foundation. They use the same update system. They have the same built-in backup tools. They even share the same file sharing utilities. You are not choosing a different engine. You are just picking a different dashboard and a different paint job. People will tell you that the lightweight version is a miracle for performance. They say it saves so much memory that your computer will fly. In reality, the difference in memory usage when the computer is just sitting there is only about 200 megabytes. If your machine was made any time in the last 7 or 8 years, you will never feel that difference in your daily life. You could open a single heavy website, and that memory gap would vanish instantly. The flagship version is the one that actually gets the most love from the internal developers. It feels like a modern, high-end evolution of the classic desktop layouts we all used years ago. It is smooth. It is polished. It gets major feature updates every 6 months like clockwork. If you have a modern graphics card, this version handles the drivers with much more grace than the others. It is the smart choice for most people who just want their computer to work and look great doing it. Then you have the traditional option. This one is a direct descendant of how desktops looked nearly 2 decades ago. It is rock solid and incredibly stable. There is a specific group of people who will love this because it supports some wild visual tricks that have been mostly forgotten by modern designers. You can make your windows wiggle like jelly when you move them. You can turn your entire workspace into a rotating three-dimensional cube. It is flashy in a very old-school way. However, the downside is that it moves very slowly. You might wait years for a major update. Some of the components in the current version were actually released several years ago. If you want the latest and greatest features, this will feel like a time capsule. The third option is the minimalist dream. It is built for the person who wants to customize their interface. You can move the taskbars and menus anywhere you want. It is efficient and stays out of your way. This is the only real choice for a computer that is truly ancient. If your hardware is truly old, every megabyte counts. But for everyone else, the decision is purely about the vibe and the update schedule. Do you want a system that feels fresh and changes every few months? Or do you want a system that stays exactly the same for years? That is the real question. The technical specs are just a distraction from what actually matters for your productivity. You want something that fits your style. Stop worrying about the tiny differences in memory and just pick the interface that makes you feel the most comfortable while you work. It is about your personal flow and nothing else.